Okay, this is the formula for the z-score. The z-score tells us how many standard deviations a particular data value is away from the average. So x bar, we read that as x bar, that's the average or the mean. S is the standard deviation, right? And x, that's our data value. So let's find the z-score for 28. So the z-score is 28 minus the average, or the mean, which is 20, divided by the standard deviation, which we're told is 4. So when we do this arithmetic, 28 minus 20 is 8, and 8 divided by 4 is 2. Notice this is positive, so 28 is 2 standard deviations above the mean. It makes sense, because if I take 2 4s, that's 2 standard deviations. 2 4s is 8. 28 is 8 more than 20. This is 2 standard deviations more than or above the mean or the average. What about 16? Well, notice 16 is less than the average. So what do we get when we calculate the z-score for 16? We get 16 minus the average, which is 20, over the standard deviation, which is 4. 16 minus 20 is negative 4, and negative 4 over 4 is negative 1. The negative indicates that the data value is smaller than the mean, and in this case it's smaller by 1 standard deviation. That makes sense, because if I subtract 1 standard deviation from 20, 20 minus 4 takes us to 16. 16 is 1 standard deviation below the mean.